You too can make a tractor from a stick to stick for your children at home. Watch this video till the end. You will know how to make an at home. You too can make a tractor. You glue the glue gun on the stick on the stick on the town. Do as shown in this video. You can also attach other things like this with a glue gun or something like that, or with glue, or glue the pencil cap to the other end with a glue gun and attach glue gun and rest pencil attach. Toy car wheel and glue gun and pencil cap and toy car wheel. It is very simple. And glue gun Matchbox attach. Look, the ready made tractor is ready. You can also make it at home. It is very simple. Make it for your children. Tell use the video, like, subscribe and comment your thoughts. Whatever have other glue gun or not, you can get other glue guns at the station store. You can also buy other tractor, children's toys, science project, technology and technology, science and technology and more. You can also go to any other hot glue gun station shop and ask for a hot glue gun. They will give you on for 200 or 300 rupees. You can bring it and make it at home. Let is very simple. How did you like this video? God bless you and protect you.